Assalamu alaikum. Happy New Year. And others religion accept my greeting and sincere love from core of my heart. We have to highlight our good culture. After that, we will be a great person over the world. Otherwise, we have to be insulted in front of anyone or any place. An abroad person will insult us. What kind of Bengali person? It's not good for you, for us. That's why I'm requesting you, I suggest you, my dear beloved brothers and sisters, please listen carefully. Not only village and not only city, we have to be careful every place. After that, our Bengali culture will be famous over the world and everybody will follow us. Yes, Bengali culture is very good, and not only that, it's a very historical Bengali cultures. And remember, if we do bad habit, it will uh, it will be very bad for us. I'm requesting you, and I'm say again, please don't do any bad work which will be bad for our Bengali cultures. If Almighty wants you, so next video we will be highlight over the world, inshallah.